Boy, it is cold out here today. It is Friday, March 22nd. It's only about 40 some degrees, in the mid 40s, I guess. I'm going to spray my wheat, put some chemicals down to kill the grass and weeds that is coming up. Also gonna put a little liquid nitrogen on it. But man, it's cold out. I just can't get warm today. But maybe this will warm me up. Cookies. What the hell was in my pocket? Damn, these things are good. Farmer's daughter is test driving trucks today. This is a Chevy. We haven't been a Chevy family for a while now. This is a 2022 Silverado RST. It is a 4x4. It's got it's set up pretty nicely, but we're not really pleased with the seats and how the seats sit in it. They're not real comfortable. It's got 34,000 miles on it, and they're asking, I think it was $45,000 or thereabouts. 34,141. Yeah, we're not real pleased with these seats. So she's had her truck in the shop, haven't said anything about it for 5 months now. There's an electrical issue that the dealership cannot figure out, and so now we are at the point of asking Ram to buy her out on her vehicle and make it right. And so now she's looking for something else. So just test driving at this point. We're just not used to Chevys in the way they're set up, and so we really don't know what we're doing. A learning experience, yes. And I think after driving this, we probably still won't be a Chevy family for a while. And it could be just this truck and these seats in this truck. Here, the seatbelt reminder. Hopefully there would be a way to turn that off, because neither one of us are seatbelt people. So the first thing we do is turn off that reminder, disable it. Okay, we haven't figured out if this darn thing opens. You know, it kind of moves. It doesn't say airbag on it. Oh, look at that. A separate button here. Well, there ain't no room in there. Wow. Okay. So why do you...
Mine's like that on my truck.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not as hidden, but button on the side.
All right. So looking at the glove box here, based on their inspection sticker here, they have had this truck since November 28th, 2023. So they've had this truck in stock a while. They have the Carfax in here. I see nothing on the Carfax to indicate anything is wrong with this. I think it's just the market that we're in right now. People don't have the money to buy anything. I've been watching a number of videos. Of course, Ram is in trouble. Well, Stellantis. Hey, we think we're gonna buy, test drive that Rebel right there. So Stellantis is in some trouble. What we're seeing on new vehicles is they are taking a lot off of the MSRP or off of the sticker on their new vehicles. Hey, Suburban. No. That's my vehicle.
Okay, well, we can test drive that.
And I'm watching some other videos on YouTube with some used car dealers. Their cars are not moving. Normally in tax time, they move a bunch of cars after people have got their tax refund back. And that has not happened this year. So it's a strange time for buying vehicles right now. So I think we're in the driver's seat when it comes to purchasing a vehicle. Of course, the dealers will never tell you that, but we'll see. So I don't know. What do you think? No.
This is a no.
No, this is a no. All right. So she's not interested in the Rebel as much as just seeing what the Eco Diesel is all about. This has the Eco Diesel in it, the 3.0. Is that what they call it? Yeah. So this is a 2022 Ram 1500. This has got 20,000 miles on it, and they're redoing their pricing. They normally have their price stickers in orange right here in the window. And when we were up here a couple days ago, all of these vehicles were priced, but it's the end of the month, so our guess is they've pulled all these down and they're readjusting their prices for the 1st of April. So yeah, whether that's going to go up or down, they should go down. But I think we're going to jump in here and try this. She really wants a new vehicle, but there's options out there, so we'll see. We just switched the tags, got the key. Let's try this Rebel out and see how this diesel engine goes. Oh, now this is a seat.
Yeah, I know. I was like, oh yeah.
This is a seat. This is the way a truck is supposed to. The way a truck is supposed to feel. I personally like the leather. I mean the red outline here, but she doesn't.
Different color? Yes. Red? No.
No, she's not a red person. Okay. Did you reset it this time so we know what the mileage is?
At least I know how to work this thing.
So they give you more outlets here.
That's how mine is.
Than the Chevy, because you only have the
Except I have a CD player here. Or
yeah,
axle
lock.
No, it's 4 auto on mine.
Hill scent. All right, heated seats.
21.
Oh yeah, there's the button. That looks a little bigger than the Chevy, maybe not. Okay, let's see if I can. Oh, here's the paper right here. This was their February price. January 20th. They were asking $49,000 for it on that date. Let's see what the price is now when we go back in there. Okay. See how long they've had this truck. Buyer's warranty. Do they have the inspection in here? Nope. Okay, they do have the owner's manual in here.
It's better than I got on mine.
So I don't see the Carfax or the inspection in here. 2022 Ram Rebel. Let's take it for a test drive.
That's how it should be.
She wasn't really impressed with the Chevy on the get up and go. So we'll see if the diesel is any better. It's a little blurry.
Actually, this is kind of impressive.
Get up and go any better?
Better than your truck.
Better than my truck. After she's drove my truck for the last 5 months and she wants to say that. I should take that down so I can see, but I guess I can lean over here like this. So one of the features on the Chevy that we didn't quite understand, they had a button up here with all of their other buttons that put all 4 windows down at one time. Is that the gas button that when somebody farts and it stinks real bad, you just reach over and all 4 windows go down at once? I don't know what the purpose is on why you would need all 4 windows to go down at one time, but you couldn't put all 4 windows back up at the same time. Not that we could see. You had to go and hit each individual button. So that was a bit weird. Hell, no running boards on this thing. No running boards. You know, I think it's a sexy looking truck myself, but apparently it's not a woman truck. What farmer's daughter doesn't like about it is the grill on the front. She thinks it's too cheap looking, plasticky, as she said. But I think it's pretty cool. I mean, it's a diesel, but it sure doesn't sound like one. The diesel's supposed to sound like a diesel. Got good tires on it. Wrangler Goodyears. good traction. All right, let me give it a shot here. Manufactured June of 2022.
So you should have to get into a truck.
No. We got 19.8. We drove, I don't know, maybe 5 miles, but it was all city driving, and average 19.8. That's not bad for a short trip like that. Okay. This isn't the truck for her, but she wanted to drive the diesel and see what it was like, and she said it's not horrible. And for the mileage, that's even better, because she never got above 20 on her on the truck that she's got now. All right, turn it off there. You got the keys?
I got both keys, yeah.
Okay. All right, on to the next one. We've gone to another dealership now, and she says she can see herself driving this one. This is the Black Widow edition of Ram. They have a white one right there. This was 80 some thousand. Oh, that's unlocked as well. We'll go look at this one. Oh, the seats are different in this one. Oh, the step didn't open on this one automatically.
It might not have a step, or does it?
It does. I can see it.
Yeah, I see.
Oh wow, that is a nice stitching there. So this one is $78,000. She can't afford it, and she's not getting a raise anytime soon at the store in order to be able to afford this. But they have it decked out pretty good. I would go for the white one personally, because I'm a white man, but she's a gray lady. On the other one, the step came out automatically. It did not come out automatically when we opened the doors here, so I don't know why. Yeah, I do like the stitching in that seat.
This is cool. I could deal with the red on this.
Yeah, she didn't like the red on the Rebel, but all of a sudden, she likes the red on this one. Full sunroof. Yeah, $78,000. I don't think so. It does look good. You have to agree there. Has it got the step on it? It sure does. Look at that. They put the step on there. It's about time they've gotten smart here. Oh, this is the rail system in the truck.
Oh,
for the bed.
Take that back off.
Yeah, for the bed, the extra bed option. So the lights in there, the bed liner, and then the adjustable rails or tie downs. Okay, this is the white one here.
I swore that was black from the other side.
Oh. So when you open this one up, see that step comes down automatically. So this, the seats are different in this one. Okay.
Ooh, I feel it was lighter.
This was something we were looking at here. Ram came up with this a couple years ago. Oh, I gotta open it properly first. I don't see. Okay, I had it open once. Oh, there we go. I don't see the usefulness of this, and you don't see it on many trucks, so I guess Ram has realized it's not that useful, and so they don't put it on the trucks. But yeah, I don't know. What do you think? And I remember having this conversation out at the World Ag Expo in California back in 2020 when this was just introduced, and I talked to the Ram representative, and I said, you know, I don't see the usefulness of that. I said, as a farmer especially, it's not going to hold up. And so Farmer's Daughter's saying she's already reading reports of people talking about, oh, there we go. Well, so when you open it up that way, yep, then you can get in. Yeah, so apparently they get out of line and then they won't close up here. So yep. Okay, we're debating on if we're going to test drive something or not. We've decided we're going to test drive this one here. It's the color that she likes. It's got the options on it that she's after. other than it's the short bed. And she does, this is the 5'7" bed, and she wants the 6'4" bed, but otherwise it has all the options on it. So she's at this point just going to test drive it to see if it does have what she's after. We gave that one a test drive. It fits the bill, other than it's got the short bed, the 5'7" instead of the 6'4" bed. But it's optioned the way she likes it. So if we find the right one, and if Chrysler does the right deal for us, she'll probably buy something similar to that. But still scratching our heads over that. Okay, farmer's daughter is leaving. That is the let her pull back around here. Oh, she's not pulling back around. Anyhow, she finally did get a car from the dealership, a loaner car, since her truck has, there she goes, since her truck has been with them for over 5 months, going on 6 months. Yeah, about a month ago they finally agreed to give her a loaner car. So that's what she's got driving around. So now it's just a matter of waiting for Chrysler and the dealership to figure out how much money they're going to give her for her truck and buy her out. All right, that's it for now. It's Friday evening. It's adult beverage time. We're not going to the door tonight because it is Good Friday. And since it is a Catholic school fundraiser that we've been going for with the Queen of Hearts, they're not doing it on Good Friday. So I guess I'm drinking alone tonight. So I'm going to say, see ya. See ya.